Hey, it's noon, everybody. I thought I was going to get this done before so I would be able to say good morning, but that's not what's happening. Good morning or happy noon, everyone. I want to show you something that's kind of cool that I'm using a custom script in my advanced triggers to kind of find some useful information for me. So I'm going to try a couple of these use cases out here. Let's do this. Let's open up, what is that, Control 7. We'll bring up the MAD. These are some of my big ones. And this is just called big. We'll call it that. So let's try something like baked apple pie. Baked apple pie. And let's see what this does. See what kind of data it's running on the other screen. And I'm really curious to see if this is creating the output that I like. And it will hallucinate some here at the bottom when I'm talking about giving me some references. But it gives me an idea and gives me options that I can look into. So let's see what this outputs here. It's hot today here in California. In fact, here on the beach, I think, let me see what it's getting to. It's getting to 84 degrees right now, y'all. 84 degrees. Okay, so let's look at this output here. So, remember, we put in baked apple pie. So it came up with some FAQs. Let's say, how do you make a baked apple pie? Ingredients. Okay. Decent. Can I make a mini version? Can I add streusel topping? Cool, cool. Related queries, apple pie recipes, easy apple pie recipes, classic apple pie, homemade apple pie. These are some great options. Ooh, look at longtails. Easy baked apple pie recipe. Apple pie with streusel topping recipe. These are pretty cool. You know what? Let's drop this into, let's go into Markdown. Drop this in. Let's look at it better here. Let's see. There we go. It's got some good keywords there. How often does it recommend using? What do you think about that? Apple pie recipes. To tease. Quite interesting. Creates a meta description, meta title, page excerpts, and some references. Are these real? Let's find out. And page not found, of course. OpenAI lying to us again, but we already knew that. Okay, so let's see what else we can do with this tool. Let me close all this junk here. Hey, look at that, guys. It's me. Okay, so let's try something else new here. Let's try something like, let's see, trout fishing gear. Why not? I don't know anything about trout fishing. All right, we're going to press that big button again. That's my new current toy I'm playing with within ZimWriter, trying to get some decent results. That way I can share with people that are taking the course. You put this in your own custom command and help you get some useful information when you're creating your blogs and outlines and what keywords you might want to use, maybe an additional like that. Should seem pretty easy enough. Let's go back to here again. We'll go back to Markdown. Paste all this. What kind of gear do I need for trout fishing? What's fishing rod, essential lures. Right on. This is kind of cool. This is fantastic. Came out much better than I expected. I was unsure. Trout fishing, informational, recommendation, trout fishing gear. Okay, what else is down here? Gear brands, fly fishing, under 50 bucks, entities, trout, fishing gear, lures, real locations. Anyhow, I will make this available on the course site today, and I think I'll just call it Big Prompt. How's that sound? If you know how to do your advanced triggers, that's where you'll need to place that. I don't have any further background information on this. I mean, you could kind of, I don't know. It has so many different uses. Like, say you put in your custom background, I don't know, about your business, or how would that affect the output? Would that change anything on the output? You know, I I have not experimented with it, and I'll leave that with you guys. But if you're interested in getting some really cool output and some data that you can use, that will be there. Anyhow, have a great day, everyone.